In this video, you will learn how to make money with DeepSeek AI. Making money with DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is an AI-driven platform designed to assist with tasks like research, content creation, data analysis. This can be done in a few strategic ways. If you're skilled at using AI tools for content creation, you can leverage DeepSeek AI to generate high-quality, written content, blog posts, or even research reports for clients. You can offer these services on freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. Another avenue is using DeepSeek to enhance your own content. Whether it's for a blog, YouTube channel, or social media, you can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. If you're working in industries such as data analysis, customer service, or market research, DeepSeek AI can help you automate tasks, streamline processes, and provide insight faster, allowing you to offer these as value-added services to your business. Additionally, if you're a developer or have technical skills, you can use DeepSeek AI API to build an AI-powered solution or application and sell that to companies looking to integrate advanced AI capabilities. With the right knowledge of AI tools and strategic positioning, AI DeepSeek can be a great asset for generating revenue in various fields. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.